Oh, sorry about that. I accidentally pressed the stop button instead of the pause. So we got that hose back on. I'm going to get ready to slide that clamp back down. I had to put the fitting on itself first because I had a hard time getting it in there. It could have been because of the angle, but as soon as I got the hose off of the fitting went right in. And then the hose went back on easily. Now I'm just going to grab that clamp right here and slide it back down so the hose don't pop out the fitting. So let me do that, and then we'll go on to the next thing, which is installing the lower air cleaner on top of the computer. We'll go from there. Okay, we got the fitting on it. The hose clamp, you can see it down there. Now what we did was we positioned the computer back into those rubber grommets to go on the frame. Now we're going to put the top of the air cleaner back on it and then reconnect it to the hose, plug the map sensor back in. And this upper hose piece goes into the intake itself on the intake box. We're going to assemble the air filter and the piece that goes right here. That way we can finish off this side. Then we can reattach this bar right here, because we did have to remove these on both sides. I just loosened that bolt, took these two bolts off, pulled it over the headlight like so. But be careful not to lean on that because you'll break the headlight. Okay, let's go on to the next step. Okay, we got the lower intake on. Fits snug like a glove on top of those rubber grommets. Now we're going to stick the air filter and the upper air cleaner piece. Okay, I got the air cleaner, the air filter, the upper air cleaner. I haven't tightened down the clamp yet because I wanted to show you something in a quick second. The map sensor has a little red safety lock that you got to push back. Once it's pushed back, here I'll get a closer look. Once it's pushed back, then the center area will go down so that you could press it and release it. So you leave it out as you're plugging it in.